Have you ever felt that tightness in your chest right before clicking the buy or the sell button? That moment when you wonder if you should trust your strategy or if you're about to make a huge mistake. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal why trust and patience are the hidden pillars of successful trading and why embracing these qualities can be actually the difference between a series of small losses and a truly game-changing win. Now, imagine you are on a tennis court in the middle of a high-stakes match. Every serve, every return matters, just like every trade you make. As I speak, look at the live Nasdaq 1-minute chart on screen. Right now, you're witnessing a trade in real time. I set this trade with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 2.2 approximately, aiming for more than 1200 in profit. It's not about chasing a quick win, it's about trusting your plan and waiting for the market to work in your favor, much like a tennis player who waits for that perfect moment to strike. Many traders rush into decisions without truly trusting their strategy. They're like a tennis player who, instead of waiting for the perfect serve, tries to hit every single ball too soon, often resulting in mistakes. This impatience leads to cutting trades short or moving stops in a panic. When you don't trust your plan, you're more likely to miss those key moments that transform a good trade into a great one. Trading, much like tennis, requires a calm mind that can analyze the situation, absorb the pressure, and remain focused even when the pace of the game intensifies. Think back to what it takes to become a pro tennis player. It's not just about natural talent. It's about countless hours of practice, trusting your training, and having the patience to let your skills shine at the right moment. Trading is very similar. You develop a robust strategy, stick to it, and allow the trade the time it needs to play out. There will be fluctuations along the way, small setbacks and minor corrections that test your trust. But if you can hold on to your strategy, you're more likely to see those big rewarding plays to come to fruition. So, taking a look at the live trade on the screen, despite minor fluctuations you might see, I've committed to a strict plan. Risk is about $500 for a potential profit of more than $1,200, all based on a carefully calculated 1 to 2.2 risk-to-reward ratio. Even as the market might test my entry point, I remain confident and patient. I trust that every market move, even those that seem unsettling at first, is part of a larger winning play. This isn't about impulsive decisions driven by emotion. It's about measured, disciplined action where every trade is a calculated step toward long-term success. So let's go a little bit deeper. Imagine if you wanted to become a pro tennis player. You wouldn't start playing matches without extensive training, without a coach, and without a routine that builds your skills gradually. You would focus on technique, work on your serve, and practice consistently. In trading, the same principles apply. You must trust your training, your research, your analysis, your strategy, and have the patience to let your trades develop. Sometimes the market may seem to be going against you, but that doesn't mean your plan is flawed. Often, it's simply the market's way of testing your resolve. Only by staying the course can you truly capitalize on the setup that you've carefully designed. And let's consider also the emotional aspect. In both tennis and trading, maintaining a clear head under pressure is vital. When you're focused and patient, you prevent impulsive actions that often lead to regrets. Every trader has felt the urge to jump in too early or to exit a position out of fear. But success lies in your ability to detach emotion from your strategy, to let your predetermined plan guide you rather than moment-to-moment market noise. So as we watch this live trade, let it serve as a real-time example of disciplined action. I'm not just watching the numbers, I'm following a plan that has been, improved through experience and rigorous practice. The market may test the plan, but I remain steady, trusting that the small fluctuations are just a part of the natural rhythm of trading. So think about it this way. If you were committed to becoming a pro tennis player, you'd invest in your training, stick with your routines, and continuously refine your skills. And trading is no different. Why would it be different? When you trust your strategy and exercise patience, you set the stage for consistent success. Each trade becomes a learning experience, each moment an opportunity to grow more confident in your approach. So if you're ready to get, deeper into these principles and truly master the art of trading, I invite you to join our mini course, The Power of Trading. It's designed to help you build the very traits that drive success, trust, patience, and a clear plan for your future. You can register using the link in my bio. So before we finish and we see what the trade is doing, thank you for spending these few minutes with me. Keep refining your approach, trust your process, and let patience guide you to trading success. I'll see you next time.